Click on the link below to get price. The Westcott FJ400 II Strobe 2 Light Location Hardcase Kit with FJX3 wireless trigger is a game-changer for photographers seeking portability without compromising on quality. This kit comes equipped with two FJ400 II strobe lights, which are impressively compact yet powerful, delivering up to 400 Ws of output. The lights are lightweight, making them easy to transport to various locations, while the hard case provides reliable protection during travel. One of the standout features of the FJ400 II is its exceptional color accuracy, boasting a consistent color temperature of 5600 K. This ensures that your images have natural skin tones and vibrant colors, which is particularly beneficial for portrait and event photographers. The strobe lights also have a fast recycling time of just 0.05 to 1.5 seconds, allowing you to capture fleeting moments without missing a beat. The inclusion of the FJX3 wireless trigger is another highlight. This intuitive trigger has a range of up to 328 feet and supports both TTL and manual modes, giving photographers flexibility in various shooting situations. The trigger is easy to operate, allowing for seamless adjustments on the fly, which can be a lifesaver in dynamic environments. In terms of usability, the strobe lights feature an LCD screen that displays essential settings, making it simple to adjust power levels and other configurations. The built-in battery offers up to 450 full power flashes, and the option to charge while in use is a fantastic addition for long shooting sessions. While the kit does come at a premium price point, the quality and performance of the FJ400 II lights justify the investment. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiastic hobbyist, the Westcott FJ400 II Strobe 2 Light Location Kit is an excellent choice for those who need reliable lighting solutions on the go. With its robust design, impressive output, and user-friendly features, this kit is sure to elevate your photography experience, capturing stunning images wherever you shoot.